everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be doing a haul of a ton of new Korean skincare products. Oh, that is it right, you guys. I was actually sent a ton of new Korean skincare stuff from a brand called Cica, and they have Cica X Hyalon right here, and then another one is Cica X Care, and then I do believe they did collaborate with BTS, like the K-pop group BTS, and they came out with this collection. So they did send this to me free of charge, so thank you so much to them for doing that. I really do appreciate it. But I do want to do a haul for you guys on these products. I've heard that they have an incredible skincare system. It's like a 10-11 step process, but I've heard a lot of their stuff is like super good. And if you are new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. We are gonna go ahead and jump in here. So if you want to see the haul of all of this Korean skincare, then just keep on watching. So the first thing is probably the first thing that you saw. This is a sheet mask, intensive moisture system, smoothing and hydrating. I'm super excited about this. We all know I love a sheet mask like so much. Oh, okay, so you have multiple in a thing. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in like a package here, so that's really cool. And then it looks like it's just a regular sheet mask. I thought it may be one of those like more waxy masks, like the Dr. Jart masks. You know what I'm talking about. I have it right here so you can see what I'm talking about, but this one just seems to be like a regular sheet mask. Totally fine. I'm super excited about this because I love sheet masks. Next up we have this, and this is the Cica emulsion. I don't know what this means, like emulsion. Maybe I'll look it up on the website or something, but this is really cool. The packaging on these seem really nice. Look at that. I love this. Let me actually look this up and see what this is. Maybe this is like a toner or some kind of like milk toner. Let me check. So it doesn't actually say what it is. It seems kind of like a hydrating serum kind of thing. What it is a very lightweight water fluid type emulsion that absorbs easily and gives you a boost of moisture. It provides 2 levels of moisture with added ingredients, panthenol and beta glucan, which provides moisture to strengthen your skin barrier. Also, for the record, I have been using this product every day since I hauled it for you guys, and I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I don't know what it is. I think it's very moisturizing, just like it says. It's pretty nice, not gonna lie, so real happy about that. This sounds like something that would be totally up my alley. I love this packaging. Next up, we have this giant thing of, it says Cica Smoother, and I don't know what that means. This looks like aloe vera. So it looks like aloe vera, and it's in a giant squeezy tube here. Let me look this up and see what it is. By the way, this right here retails for $36. Like, hello? So I'm researching this here too, and this seems to be like intense. This says that it is a extremely hydrating smoother. It is $22 retail, and they have like a lot of really cool info about this. Like, this is legit. Moisturizing and cooling. You can do it after shaving. It's basically, I think it's aloe, but maybe it has some other properties in it because it's supposed to be super smoothing. It's supposed to hydrate the skin intensely. This range seems like it's totally up my alley so far. Super excited about it. And these things are not super duper cheap. Like, they're kind of expensive. Not too bad, but like definitely up there. I think they're really gonna like do a lot of work. So I'm excited. Next up we have the Cica cream right here. This is in a little pink packaging. Oh, it's in one of these like you know what I'm talking about. It's not like in a this kind of packaging. It's like, you know, I can't find too much information about this right here, but it looks to be maybe like a, I don't know, maybe an eye cream or something like that. Oh, she's green. Oh, she's like, I don't know. I don't even know. She's very like emollient, and she's very hydrating, like she's very wet. Ew. This feels really cool. I don't know what this is for. I'll have to do more research because I tried to research it a little bit and couldn't find too much about this one, but this looks really cool. I'm excited to try it. Now this looks like a very expensive perfume box. Like, does it not? Look at that. Ugh. This is the real deal. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. This is the Cica X Hyalon, and this is the Hydration Essence. And I know what this is. It's an essence. So really cool. This packaging is so awesome. It's like, it's glass and it comes out like this. I haven't even felt this yet. Ooh, again, very watery. It feels very nice on the skin. I like this a lot. I don't know what step. So yeah, I've been using this product too, and I've really been enjoying it. It's making my skin very smooth, and I like it a lot. So yeah, this one's pretty cool too. The essence goes on. I'll have to kind of like look it up and see like how to use and see which step it goes. This is $26 and it has a lot of stuff that I can't say. Here, hold on. Are you able to see that? Ingredients. It says, after cleansing and toning, apply ample amount with the palms of your hands, then gently press and pat into the skin for full absorption. Awesome. So when it comes to this, I know there's a lot of steps. So this one says apply after cleansing and toning. This one is apply after cleansing and toning. So like, which one comes first? Or do you use them in the same day? Do you use this one day and then this one another day? I have no idea. I think this one is like my favorite thing so far because the packaging is so fancy. I almost just threw it. Next up, we have the Cica Mild Foam Cleanser. This is cleanser. I don't need to look this up. But here is what it looks like. Really, really cool. I'm super excited. Again, it's in one of these giant things. This is 10.14 fluid ounces or 300 milliliters. This thing's a beast. So next time I wash my face, I'll be using this and giving it a shot. And last but certainly not least, we have the Cica Natural Eye Gel Patches. I love eye patches. They're one of my favorite things to use. Here's what it looks like right here, and it's in just a regular kind of packaging, and it gives you a little scooper. Oh God, I haven't actually looked at these yet, but look at that. They're like green. It kind of looks like green tea or like matcha in there. That's really cool. Oh, I'm so excited to try these out. I can't wait. I don't know what's in these. Let me Google it and find out. Hold on. These are $30. That's a lot. And then obviously, like after washing your face, you can like put it underneath here and then let it sit. I'm not seeing like what the actual ingredients are. I do see ingredients, but they are all in Korean and I cannot read Korean. So I'm gonna assume these are really, really good ingredients. I don't know. Everything in here has really surprised me. I am really excited to try this stuff out. All these products seem really good. Like they seem very nice. They're nicely packaged. They seem quite luxe. Maybe not super duper expensive, but I mean like between like 25 and 40 bucks. I mean, that's not like super cheap either, but it's not like crazy expensive, so maybe like middle of the road. I don't know, but yeah, you guys, that's going to be the end of the video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.